So we have just gone through the procedure in Horizon. And this is the key procedure that you need to be able to do in this course and on the RHCSA exam. We will discuss more details later, but before discussing more details, I want you to be aware of the generic procedure. So let's resume the procedure once again. In order to work with an instance in a cloud environment, you have to make sure a tenant user, and a role exists. Next, you provide an image. You create flavors. You need to provide an external network as well as an internal network and create an SSH key. Then you need to select the network and launch the image. What we haven't seen yet is that you also need to allocate a floating IP and you need to add block storage to make the procedure complete. And this is all. Now you have seen how easy it is to work with Horizon to create your own cloud environment. In some cases you will need to do some Horizon troubleshooting. Let's go through some tips that help you troubleshooting Horizon. To start with, there is OpenStack status. The OpenStack status command is an excellent command to see if everything is up and running all right. Let me show you. OpenStack-status. So this is providing an overview of the different services that are a part of OpenStack that are available. You will see OpenStack status on many occasions because this really is the solution you want to be using to verify the availability of services. Next, you might want to check the web server status for errors. So the web server, that is just an Apache web server, so that would be systemctl status on HTTPD. What you want to be seeing is that this web server is running. So we can see it is running, we can see many processes have been started, and we can even see the last parts of the log. If you see anything weird, it's a good idea to repeat this command with systemctl status httpd-l, which is giving you long lines. This is showing you exactly what has happened if the lines are wrapped up. Also, there is the logs that you can read in var log Horizon. Let's have a look at those as well. So I'm on my server 1, I'm going to var log, and in var log I can find the Horizon subdirectory. What you can see, by the way, is that many of the OpenStack processes like Horizon and Keystone and Glance and Cinder, they all have their log subdirectory. So this is structured in a well-organized way. And if I want to know what is happening, well, I'm just tailing on the horizon.log. You can see nothing interesting is happening here. We just have informational messages about users logging in to the interface. This is what you should see if all is good. Typically, if it's not, check your web server. Often, if Horizon is causing problems, it's a web server that hasn't been started correctly. What is also quite common scenario is that just after restarting the server that is hosting Horizon, you are just too fast. Horizon takes a minute or so to initialize. So if you see that you cannot log into it immediately, just wait a bit and try again until Horizon has been completely initialized.